Wait a second. Almost everyone gets this problem wrong the first time. At first glance, it looks super easy, but if you rush it, you'll fall right into the trap.
The wrong way. Most people see 6 minus 6 minus 6 times 6 and think, okay, 6 minus 6 equals 0, then 0 minus 6 equals minus, and multiply by 6 gives 0, so the answer is 0. But nope, that's completely wrong way of doing it. The right way, PEMDAS. We have to follow the order of operations, also known as PEMDAS. PEMDAS stands for P, parentheses, E, exponents, M and D, multiplication and division, A and S, addition and subtraction. Multiplication and division come before addition and subtraction, and when they're at the same level, we always go left to right. So now solving the problem properly, PEMDAS. So first, do the multiplication. 6 times 6 equals 36. Now the problem becomes 6 minus 36 minus 6. From left to right, 6 minus 36 equals minus 30. Then minus 30 minus 6 equals negative 36. So the final answer is negative 36. That's how we can solve it. But wait, we have a bonus challenge for you. All right, if you got that one, here's a quick test. What's the value of 8 minus 2 times 5 plus 4? Think carefully and drop your answer in the comments. I'll be checking. And hey, if you enjoyed this little brain workout, don't forget to hit subscribe to Mathspire for more fun math puzzles.